Welcome. Let us get into the interface of Positron. And whenever we learn a particular software, and in this case Positron, we have to get used to the interface. And let us start this by looking at the interface layouts available in Posit. So at the top right, you see these are various layouts available for the interface of Positron. If you have been working in VS Code, you know that this top one on the activity bar is Explorer. To understand it better, let us open a folder. Let us take this folder stats underscore discrete series app01b. I select it and open this folder. So whenever you open this folder, Positron would ask you, do you trust the authors of all the files in this parent folder? You say, yes, I trust, and then this folder opens and this app.r I will click and the code of that is visible here. Now this is the Explorer window, and then there is a search tool, and then there is a source control tool here, and then there is a run and debug tool here, and then there are extensions which we can download, right? All those extensions which are here, like Python debugger and all those pyrite and all those extensions, and some you have to install depending upon what you are using in your files and apps, I should say. Let us start from this top left, and here we see that there are certain layouts available. So when we click on this first layout, it says toggle primary sidebar. So you can here click it, hide this or unhide this primary sidebar, depending upon how much space you require for coding and other stuff. The second one is toggle the panel. So there is a panel down there here where we have console and terminal, and if we click it we can hide it, and again click it we can unhide it. And third thing is we can even toggle the secondary side, so where we have this box where we have all the session help viewer and other connections, and then plots on the bottom right. And if we want to hide it, this is secondary sidebar we call it, we can hide it, and if we click it again we can unhide it. But here this is what is customized layout. If we click here, then all sorts of options are available. This one is the one currently on is a stacked layout, and then side by side layout would look something like that. And if we go back, notebook layout would look something like that. So this way we can adjust many ways the interface of a Positron. So here even there is a possibility that you can hide menu bar at the top. It's gone now. If you click it back, it comes back. And top bar here where we have these tools and other stuff, this we can hide and unhide depending upon how many times you click that option. And similarly activity bar, and you see this activity bar on the left is once we click it gets hidden, and then again click it comes back. But let us go to, and there are few other options also, feel free to explore. Similarly you can have the alignments of the panels which are left aligned, right aligned, center aligned, or justified. So just to play with them and find which one suits for you. And for me here, I liked this basically the stacked layout because it is most similar to what we have been using, what I have been using